Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hi, this is Murli Thulam. In this video, let us discuss about one of the important announcements from CNCF community. CNCF launches Certified Kubernetes AI Conformance program to standardize AI workloads on the Kubernetes. Let us discuss more detail. So here, if you observe, the growing use of Kubernetes for AI workloads, it highlights the importance of common standards. So let us see here. Here, if you observe, 82% of organizations, they started adopting AI solutions. So within that, 58% of organizations, they started using Kubernetes for AI workloads. You can see this statement as well. So research from Linux Foundation, research on Sovereign AI. And also let us see other challenges also here. AI workloads. So we need specialized hardware. While onboarding your AI solutions, we need specialized hardwares, GPUs, TPUs, and accelerated power modern AI. Apart from that, explosive growth like this, ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, right? So we need training models like these are all things, and stable diffusion demands massive compute we need. And apart from that, different requirements. AI workloads need more than traditional CPUs-based apps. Then, so these are all different problems to see. Inconsistent implementations. Example, suppose if you are looking for some GPUs, so NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, Google, and so on. Each vendor, they configure GPU access differently within Kubernetes. These are one of the issues. And after that, developer confusions. Team trained on the one platform and they struggle to migrate to another platform. And similar way, vendor lock-in as well. So moving workloads, AI workloads between clouds, it's a complex as well as costlier process as well. And here, so CNCF, they initiated Certified Kubernetes AI. So they are trying to establish standard rules for AI infrastructure. So here, these are all rule books you can see. Defines exact specification for GPU access and AI hardware interface in Kubernetes. Apart from that, certification badge as well. So passing platforms receive official certified Kubernetes designation. So let us see this documentation from our official portal as well. This is the blog you can see. Certified Kubernetes Conformance Program. Certified Kubernetes Conformance Program, which brought together more than 100 certified distributions and platforms across every major cloud on-premises solution and vendors offering. So these are all different organizations, Jesse. So the codes you can see, Akamai, AWS, and VMware, right? CoreWave. These are all different clients you can see, Swarm, right? Google Cloud, and Kubernetes. These are all different vendors you can see. And also just go through GitHub portal as well. So this is the GitHub portal. Here you can see that. And apart from that, just see this new initiative sees CNCF applying its proven model to AI infrastructure. The goal is to reduce confusion and inconsistency by setting clear requirements for running AI tasks that follow Kubernetes principles. So this entire scenario, it represents importance of the Kubernetes in the AI world. Please see the documentation below. If you like this video, please share it and see you in the next video.